today I visit the nature. I was hoping for some sun, but it mostly raining. And maybe it's a little bit dangerous walking in stone places near water when it's raining, but I have cautious. I was guided to speak about our voice, and our voice holds infinite power to create and call in what we seek. So if we often speak in negative forms, that is what is created for us. And also when we get the cold and so of that, often this is because maybe we have some issues with stored trauma in our respiratory system. But trauma doesn't have to be some super bad experience. It can be we went down the store and we was going to shop something, and maybe some in the behind us was angry at us and told us to do quicker or something like that. Or we have a fight with someone, or we don't say what we think. This create the energy in our lungs and in our throat, so that our voice is more shunned, you can say. So that is what we can do with our voice, is we can heal ourselves, and we can sing, and in healing sessions maybe you have noises coming from you, you cry or something like that, and maybe you make some noise, and this is also noise is stored in us, in our tissue, like old energy. And by we making the noise, this energy can be released and transmuted to higher frequency.